Like, give these 5 games to Amorim. I'm very seriously and honestly asking, even though I backed him when he was there. How many points do you guys think he would have got out of 15? 5 games. Straight, blunt.
I would have 5.
See?
And he's just gone 3. And he's right.
We lose to Arsenal. We lose to City. We probably draw with Fulham.
Yeah.
We probably draw with...
No. Win to Tottenham, draw with Fulham, and again lose to West Ham.
See?
So we would have gotten like 4 points. Tottenham को कोई भी हराता है. तुम लोग ने मुन्ना भाई देखी है क्या? दोनों ने. उसमें वो गाना है, सपना टूटा है तो दिल कभी जलता है. फिर अब अगले हफ्ते अपने घर पे एवर्टन आया. ओ.
तो एवर्टन के लिए 13वीं है भाई.
तेरा 13वीं. यूनाइटेड का मौत थे वो 13वीं.
स्ट्रैंड बंदे का 13वीं हो सकता है.
किसका?
We are not going to talk about last strand. No. I'm taking offense. No, I am done with that moron. बात ही नहीं करने का है. नहीं,
I want to talk about this.
I agree.
नहीं, I agree with you. I want to talk about this. क्योंकि पहले मजा आ रहा था थोड़ा. Everyone was enjoying. अभी ऐसा हो गया है, like last मतलब 4 गेम के बाद when the 5th game came, which is a big thing, of course. It's all about that guy cutting hair and this thing, that thing. It's not about Michael Carrick winning. वो अलग pressure आ गया. Players know. Why Michael Carrick को they asked in the press conference. And he's like, okay, yeah, social media is there, I know about. Like same thing
I've
with
heard
the players.
I've heard about it.
And Fabrizio, he's just like bombarding posts on him. Like after a while, it's like,
Fabrizio को ban करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, he's got.
I know the amount of marketing nonsense and the amount of marketing nonsense he's doing, right? It is like it's not worth following him anymore.
Yeah, I agree with you.
And I agree with Doan and I agree with you. Agree क्या match है? It's global truth. वो global. कल United draw किया. एक match we literally dropped 2 points. Nobody's talking about that. Everybody's like, oh, इसका 5 game का counter वापस चालू हो गया.
Exactly.
Bro, fuck it. We're all football fans. बेंचो किसी के बाल बढ़ रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं, उससे हमको क्या लेना देना है? वो उसको खुद का पर्सनल चॉइस था, छूते नहीं किया. ठीक है, उसकी भी गलती नहीं, वो इतना फेमस हो गया. Let's not abuse him. It's all the social media. It's everybody else. It's a good thing. Everybody else is doing. But I have a problem with people who call themselves fan and not talking about, including Scholes and Nicky Butt and those. They're talking about his hair rather than about the
those
game.
Guys,
right?
It's better those guys don't talk about the game.
Yeah, okay. And that's why I said at the start of this, Doan Lobo from Down Under and Mario Heredia from Borivali, that we will not talk about the last strand.
No, this is the last time. That's why I was like, we'll clear it so that we're on the same page. Because Rooney came out and said it, by the way. Like,
I know. I saw his post.
It's getting very annoying that I'd rather have him like somewhere else. Because Michael, see, like, obviously we'll talk about the game, not the result we wanted. It's still a draw. We scraped through, like we got a goal. Like it's still a draw.
The less I talk about Carrick, the better it is. I don't want to talk about Carrick for one very simple reason. Let him do what he's doing. And yesterday, it showed that between Carrick and Nuno Espirito Santos, Carrick still has a long way to learn about Premier League. Tactically, and we were talking about Nuno before this game when we previewed. Salah Jala genie आदमी है. When the moment he gets to know his team ना, क्या setup किया था कल West Ham को? Oh my God!
All our forwards
nothing fancy, nothing. They couldn't. Space कहाँ था?
It was so packed. Midfield में 3-4 बंदे हैं. Like defense तो वैसे भी उनका setup वैसा है. See, this is again they do that. Like, but then like I'm just talking about the Chelsea game where they made a comeback. Here I would still blame our forwards. Like we knew how they're gonna set up. We knew how they're gonna sit. Especially after मैंने देखा ना, मैंने message भी किया था. This looks like a 1-0 game. जहाँ पे score करके पीछे बैठना है. Instead of us doing, they did it. And now, as soon as they did it, I'm like, oh shit, here we go. And that's what happened.
But Mario, I don't know if you noticed, but Disasi and Diouf. Disasi is playing first game of Premier League after Chelsea, or second game. They were incredible yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, एटलीस्ट जो यूनाइटेड गेम इसके पहले खेल रहा था अगेंस्ट फुलहम, टॉटनहम, Arsenal and United, trying to go through the between that short passes, space
Nothing.
ko, trying to find space. They didn't give.
Nuno came prepared. Did you see
lovely.
Van Bissaka run up at any point of time?
Maybe a couple
Yeah.
times पूरे game में. He was
hardly.
आगे गए
But
नहीं.
every
Hardly,
other
yeah.
game, Van Bissaka is
goes
going
back,
up, and Bowen
Great
was
point.
handling
Yeah.
the entire right side.
Yeah,
Bissaka was
yeah.
sitting back. They were working out like a 3-man defense. That's how they got that extra player in midfield.
Yes. And Bissaka Bumo को पूरा game चिपक के था. And Bumo is quick. And Bumo
Bissaka is
is quick.
Bissaka.
Bissaka is
Bissaka-
brilliant.
We know.
Spider-Man
And-
बोलते थे उसको. But we know.
So-
Yeah, we had him for 5 years.
No, so Nuno came prepared. He came with a strategy. He asked his team to play to that. They did. Carrick went in with a plan. Carrick went with the strategy. We played well. It's not that United played bad. We played well. We just couldn't finish. We in that last part, right, around the D and inside the D, they choked us out completely.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it was a even game. They scored. That's the difference.
I also think, Mario, that we were not brave enough against against Arsenal, against City. We were extremely brave, and I'll tell you what, against Fulham also we were not brave enough, and that's what we said. कि यार ये वापस से देख एकदम slow खेल रहे हैं, intensity नहीं थी. I personally thought United was not brave enough yesterday. We only got better or brave or direct
After
or
the
whatever
goal.
you'd like to say after 85th minute. After the goal,
Yeah.
because 80% of the game United आगे जाके we were only doing side passes or back passes.
और
वो
वो
final run, हाँ,
Yeah.
final run, अपने forwards का run, वो ball जो हम Arsenal City, yes, they were, obviously there's a difference क्योंकि सामने वाले टीम हम पे चढ़ रहा था, यहाँ पे चढ़ नहीं रहे थे. But that
we got
is,
those balls. We got those balls going through also. There were like 3-4 times where Mainu managed to cut in and run.
yeah.
But after he got the ball, we had to cycle it back because there was no place for anything to do.
There
We
was
were
no
not
space.
taking shots. I don't know why, but we didn't take shots on the goal. But my most irritating factor was those loopy crosses that Dalot and Shaw were putting. I don't understand what they were
Dalot.
thinking. I saw at least 4 loopy balls coming in from the corner side. I'm like, why? And
I'll tell you why. It's because of you, Mario. Last game, you said Luke Shaw is having a great run, and उसने हगा. गोल भी उसकी वजह से ही गया, हरामखोर. और जब वो आगे भी भाग रहा था कल, he wasn't great. So Mario, you are the one to blame.
Okay, we'll blame Mali. That's fine. That's easier. But
Mario.
इन्होंने अपने फॉरवर्ड वैसे भी कुछ नहीं किए. Like even with the creation,
हाँ, नहीं
tempo तो starting से नहीं लग रहा था. I think पूरे मैच में मेरे को याद ही नहीं कि टेम्पो इंक्रीज हुआ या वी वर लाइक थोड़ा सा भी अपन ने अर्जेंसी दिखाया. जैसे तूने बोला गोल के इमीडिएटली बाद उसके भी थोड़े टाइम बाद रिएक्शन आना शुरू हुआ. लाइक दैट्स नॉट देयर. ओके यू वेस्टेड द फर्स्ट हाफ. ठीक है, पूरा हो गया ये वो. उसके बाद थोड़ा तो पुश करो. सेकंड हाफ आके थोड़ा तो ये करो. व्हाई डू वी हैव टू वेट टिल दे स्कोर or they get a goal any which ways? They're already parking the
Yeah.
bus. They're already sitting behind. You give them a goal. Do you think they'll allow you to score? वो वैसे टीम है भाई कि वो जान दे देंगे 1-0 लीड बचाने के लिए. और तुमने उसको वही दे दिया. चलो, we still got a goal, but then again, like when you got subs coming in, Zirkzee missed the header. For me, that should have
That
been in.
was, oh my God.
I know he
But
came
I
close.
like-
He felt sad.
I
but
like that change though. It was not an
Yeah.
expected
Yeah.
change, but I like the guts
Exactly.
that we took off a defender and we went for the game at least.
went for the
Unlike-
game.
Ek second. We took off Dalot. It was good. Zirkzee is
Bro.
better than Dalot.
उसने वो कौन था सोमरविल ना. सोमरविल की समरविल.
Somerville.
जेब में रखा था उसका.
क्या जेब में रखा था वो. मेरे को तो लगा था कि आज इसको गोल
नहीं,
देगा,
नहीं,
फाउल देगा,
समर-
पेनल्टी देगा.
Somerville ने
अच्छा ओके,
समरविल ने
मैं भी
डालो
बोला
को
तू
जेब
क्या
में
बोल
रखा
रहा है
था।
करके. भाई
गेम
वो
में
जब भी आ रहा था ना, मेरी हालत खराब हो रही थी कि ये बंदा कर क्या रहा है. या तो उसको
वो
पेनल्टी
बहुत
देगा, फाउल
fantastic
तो वैसे
form
भी
में
दे
है.
रहा था.
वो
I-
फैंटास्टिक फॉर्म है. 5 लास्ट 5 गेम में ये छोड़ के उसके पहले 5 गेम में समरविल ने 5 में गोल मारा है.
हाँ,
गोल
मेरे
मारा.
टीम
हाँ,
में.
वो कमेंटेटर बोल रहा था.
मारियो के सो और पता है यूनाइटेड ने मोमेंटम कब फाइनली पकड़ना स्टार्ट किया और अच्छा खेलना स्टार्ट किया, नो डाउट मैनू
हाँ
ने बॉल डालना स्टार्ट किया, कैसेमिरो एंड ऑल, जब बेंजामिन शेस्को आया। वो जैसे ही पिच पे आया 80th मिनट समथिंग ही केम, 80 या 75th मिनट,
we started the
and
long
I
balls.
think this is where Carrick missed a trick, I think, but उसकी भी गलती नहीं है, he's going with a team that is giving him results. I think Shesko should have started, I personally think, because यार वो बंदा ना ऐसे he probably कितना 3 गोल हो गया उसका 4 गेम में लास्ट, how many he scored already 3 times in the last 3 games,
3 goals.
3
Yeah.
goals.
because जैसे वो रन्स लेता है ना आगे, he pulls defenders, and this is what we've been talking for last 2 years. United के पास वो forward नहीं रहा है, suddenly Shesko is doing that.
We
और
did that in the Fulham game also, right? We wanted we
when
spoke
Shesko
about
came,
wanting Sesko to start,
yeah,
and with
yeah,
some of the smaller teams, that's what we said we'll require, right? We'll require an out and
yeah.
out striker, and you saw that with Sesko. He came in, he started taking shots, not great shots, but he at least started taking shots
At least on
on
the
goal,
goal.
Yeah, yeah.
which made them think and change their
I
tactics slightly at least.
शेस्को का
think
जो
he
फर्स्ट शॉट
doesn't
ऑन टारगेट
start.
था ना,
हाँ
शेस्को का जो फर्स्ट शॉट ऑन टारगेट था ना, वो यूनाइटेड का पूरे गेम का सेकंड शॉट ऑन टारगेट था आफ्टर
actually
लूक शॉ शॉट.
हाँ that's true. हाँ क्योंकि मुझे
Yes,
लगता है
I know.
I think this like I may be wrong, but I think like Carrick obviously firstly he's going with the same team because we're winning. It's obvious. You don't change anything. Secondly, I think like जितना मैंने notice किया है, Sesko is not good with like taking the balls, holding it, or giving that pass correctly, especially like when we are in play. And I think Carrick loves that front setup where everyone's passing and playing because we've been doing that in the last few games. आई थिंक सेस्को का जितने बार मैंने देखा है, ही इज विद अ डिफेंडर, दिस थिंग बॉल आता है उसको देता है, वो नहीं दे पाता है, ही मिसप्लेसेस. सेस्को इज समवन लाइक एटलीस्ट जितना मैं देख रहा लास्ट गेम में, ही विल बी गुड इन द बॉक्स. तुम उसको लॉन्ग बॉल डालो, ही विल पुट दैट लेग, ही विल टेक अ हेडर. आई थिंक दैट्स हिज जॉब. अगर उसको उसी के लिए ला रहे हो तो परफेक्ट है, तो उस हिसाब से तुम गेम स्टार्ट कर सकते थे. इफ यू टेल हिम टू गेट इन्वॉल्व, आई डोंट सी लाइक, आई थिंक जिस एटलीस्ट like the flow we are going in, like Cunha, then you've got Bruno, Mbumo, Ahmad, like bro, it's slick the passing, and you've got Menu coming in. मतलब Menu ऐसा बॉल लेके भागता है कि like if you have to get the ball you have to foul him. इसमें वो बैठता नहीं है.
This is good. So this
It's
is
good,
good
yeah.
against majority of the team in Premier League. But when you have a team like, I'll tell you what, when you have a team like West Ham or Everton, as a matter of fact, वो तेरे को नहीं आएंगे तेरे आगे पे. They're going to sit back. That
Okay.
is when you need someone like Shesko to
Sesko.
break the
Yeah.
lines.
But
Yeah,
The
yeah.
way
That's
he
what I'm saying, yeah.
runs.
It's all good. See, the one part of it, right, is that Carrick's tactics started to become one-dimensional. We have the
Yeah.
ability to play different ways, and the fact that we can start Shesko at any game means that the teams that come or play against us cannot predict which way we should start. So that is something
Yeah.
that Carrick has to build now. He's built that
Mhm.
unpredictability into, you cannot decide beforehand which United team is going to play.
Yeah.
And that is something that Carrick now starts to have to build. That's
So-
kind of what Arsenal is doing, right? He's changing so many people, and it puts that unpredictability. That's what Pep has done all his life.
Yeah. But all in all,
So-
still not a disappointing game for me. Yes, we dropped points. That's why I'm disappointed. But the last 10, 15... No, I'm not ending it. The last 10, 15 minutes जो game खेला
before
ना,
you go ahead on this one, do you think we needed this?
needed
Bro?
what?
I don't.
Just to
I
come back
absolutely
on the
don't think we
ground, or
needed
like just
but
as I'm just asking very frankly, just a small reality check.
Like-
Did we need this? Like just cause
I'll tell you.
you put a very good point
My-
out, because Carrick was going one dimensional. It was
I-
just one thing, and this
I
just
won't say we
Be honest.
needed this, but it was an eventuality, right? There are people talking about United going in an unbeaten streak and winning the league. Guys, we need to be realistic. This was that reality check.
इसका आवाज गूंज रहा है full. This was like heavenly.
क्योंकि ये आकाशवाणी टाइप उसने बात
हाँ,
की है.
मैं
उसने
वही
सही
बोला.
बोला है ये.
आवाज
मतलब
So ना,
जो-
see,
जो
our
अपने-
title race
जो
started in
जो
Jan
अपने
and ended in Feb. It's not that bad, right?
एक सेकंड first of all, our title race never started. It started in deluded fans' heads. So that's what I'm saying. जो भी गिनती चिंती के जो नए चिंदी चमाट जो पुराने दुखी वाले फैंस है ना, उनको
हाँ।
लगा था ओ सडनली वी आर गोइंग टू डू व्हाट वी डिड आई थिंक इन 2008 और 2007 समवेयर कि आर्सेनल से 12 पॉइंट पीछे यहाँ से अनबीटन रन पे जाएंगे, वो लोग 4 गेम ड्रॉप करेंगे, हम लोग प्रीमियर लीग उठाएंगे। सो एज मारी सेड ये इवेंचुअली होना ही था, अच्छा हुआ और अच्छा हुआ हारे नहीं। सो आई थिंक इट्स गुड फॉर यूनाइटेड 4 गेम
दैट्स
के
अ बिग
बाद
पॉइंट था।
हारे नहीं, क्योंकि दैट वुड हैव ब्रोकन द मोरल। अभी मोरल ब्रेक नहीं है एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली नाउ वी हैव 2 वीक्स बिफोर द नेक्स्ट गेम। कैरिक
And
को पता है अब क्या करना है।
more importantly, Chelsea also drew yesterday, so we are
Chelsea
still in the
हाँ,
top 4.
so we are still in the top 4 and there is no way कि कोई और टीम अपने से ऊपर जाएगी, क्योंकि बाकी टीम अपने से बहुत नीचे है। तो लिवरपूल 39 पे जीता भी तो 42 पे जाएगा, अपन 45 पे चिल है। So that's what I'm saying, right? Now we have
45 पे
2 weeks. Carrick knows कि अब क्या करना है। आई थिंक स्मार्ट इनफ टू डू। अच्छा लो ब्लॉक टीम ऐसे बैठेगी तो अपने को ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा। दिस इज व्हाट वी डू, वी हैव टू मेक सम चेंजेस, नए कुछ तो स्ट्रेटेजी लाना पड़ेगा एंड आई थिंक ही विल डू इट बिकॉज अपने पास बहुत टाइम है। मेरे को तो ये डर लग रहा है 2 वीक बिना फुटबॉल मैं क्या करूंगा, बट ठीक है करूंगा कुछ तो लाइफ में।
क्योंकि ये
But that's what
वीकेंड
I'm saying.
एफए
So-
है ना। हाँ ना सॉरी
FA.
हमें क्या
Valentine's
लेना
Day.
देना है?
It's because of
हमें क्या
Valentine's Day.
लेना देना?
Valentine's Day,
हमें
it's
क्या
not
लेना देना? We don't talk about this.
हमें क्या लेना देना दोनों ही, हमें क्या लेना देना दोनों ही डे से, ना वैलेंटाइन और ना एफए। हम अपना बढ़िया बियर पिएंगे।
एक्शन
मारिया को तो
see,
फिर भी जाना पड़ेगा बाहर, क्योंकि रशियल की तो लेके जाएगी। तेरा मेरा तो वो
we
भी नहीं है
have-
भाई, तू फूल भेज देना,
वो भी है।
मेरा तो वो भी नहीं।
See, we have 2 weeks. I think Carrick has said क्योंकि there were talks about us going away, like team, like जैसे वो दुबई ये वो कुछ मैच वैच खेलने के लिए. I think that's
पैसा नहीं
apparently it's cancelled. अबे पैसे के लिए तो जा रहे थे.
पैसा दिया नहीं ना, तो टिकट कैसे बुक होगा? तो दिया ही नहीं।
नहीं, I think cancel हो
पैसा
गया. So
आएगा तो
apparently
टिकट बुक करेगा।
apparently they're gonna
सब
rest.
busy है।
Like I think they're gonna rest. Like थोड़ा सा टाइम भी मिल जाएगा उसको कुछ टैक्टिक चेंज करना ये वो. But
वही
like you said,
होगा।
I wanna emphasize on that point कि like it doesn't feel that bad because obviously we won like few games and कहीं ना कहीं आना था. I'm just happy it's not a loss like because like वो लग नहीं रहा था अभी कि गोल आ रहा है. वो कैसे तो उसने
In
पैर
fact,
डाला आ गया.
there was a point नहीं अच्छा गोल था, चुप कर, क्या बढ़िया अपने आप को सब पोजीशन किया था यार, दो डिफेंडर्स के बीच में और
लगा नहीं
परफेक्ट
था
बॉल
वही
था,
बोल रहा हूँ ना.
बूमो का। हाँ नहीं, मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली लास्ट 10 मिनट या लास्ट के 6-8 मिनट में लग रहा था कि यूनाइटेड डाल देगा 2-1 गोल, और वो ऑलमोस्ट किया उन लोग ने। ज़र्क्ज़ी मिस नहीं किया होता वो यूनाइटेड वुड हैव वन। कैसेमीरो, माइनू, दैट ऑफसाइड वाज सो, आई मीन मुझे
Bro,
इतना सो क्लोज मैन। ली का
कैसेमीरो का
इतना
तो
छोटा सा थ्रो बाल आगे था। अरे
एक
तो
तो वो
कैसेमीरो
बहुत
would have scored.
perfect goal, finish
such a
perfect,
smooth
exactly,
goal.
exactly,
क्या नहीं था।
everything about that was perfect, and यार just
It's okay. It's okay. As my mother says, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। अगर हम ये मैच जीत गए होते तो वो
हाँ.
सारे फैंस प्रीमियर लीग इज कमिंग होम बस बुक कर लिया होता। अच्छा वो नहीं हुआ।
भाई उसका बाल कट जाता वो निकल जाता. तेरे को पता 2 दिन उसका थोड़ा
भाई
ये वो होता and he would have just gone. Now he'll start again.
तो छोड़ ना, उसके घर पे रोटी आ रही आने दे, तू क्या लेना
अच्छा
देना है?
अच्छा
अपने मैं तो बोलता हूँ तू और मैं भी तू चालू कर। अगर यूनाइटेड जब तक
इतने बाल ही
प्रीमियर
नहीं
लीग नहीं
है.
जीतता है तू बाल मत कटा। हाँ तो इसलिए
बाल
पूरा
है
होगा तेरे। जब तक प्रीमियर लीग नहीं जीतता तू बाल ही मत
प्रीमियर
काट।
लीग नहीं जीतता.
नहीं जीता। और मारियो तेरे
हाँ.
लिए एक अलग है।
दाढ़ी
यूनाइटेड जीते हारे भाड़ में गया, नया लैपटॉप ले या नया इंटरनेट लगा।
नया
नहीं
इंटरनेट
ये मेरे को पता
हेडफोन्स
है
भी ले.
क्यों है.
वो तो है, मेरे घर पे छोड़ के गया।
नहीं, I was wondering whether I should do this from here or
Phone.
not.
Okay. Never mind. Thank you, boys. Again, lovely. United still on 4th. It will remain on 4th for the next 2-3 weeks, whatever. I'm happy.
2 weeks.
Draw हुआ. We didn't lose. Shesko Zindabad. Brilliant. Yes, we'll work on something. But thank you, boys, for joining. Like, share, subscribe. मस्त चल रहे हैं
Subscribe
आजकल
and
अपन,
share.
तो मजा आ रहा है।
शेयर वेयर करो भाई लोग.
Cheers.
Yes.